Hello everyone. So today I will show you how we can use the Conscious.ai for the research purposes. The first thing you need to do is to open the google.com, go on the google.com and write it down consensus.ai. So once you will search it out, so you can see that you are getting the sponsored results as well. So I talked about the sponsored advertisement in my last session, but just to wrap it down very quickly, so once you search anything out, so you get the sponsored ad and then the organic search will start on. So what you need to do is go a little bit and you can click on it, hide sponsored results. So all the sponsored advertisement is hidden now. So now you are getting the organic results now. So this is what we search and now this is what we getting it. So make sure you go on the right website in order to use it for the literature purposes, because even though you are searching consensus wired, so it gave you the list of the sponsored advertisement, and maybe it will try the search engine will try to twist you to go on any other website, but we need to go on to the right one website. So this is the website, so maybe you can note it down, the web address of this website. So it's a very simple, like consensus.ai. So now what you need to do is here it goes. So now you need to do is you can ask anything, because anything over here, it looks like, the chat box as well. So what you need to do is to uh, ask it anything about the research topic. For example, if you are doing the research about the green marketing, or maybe HR, or whether it's about the IT sector. So what you need to do is to write something about your area of research. So area, for example, if you are searching for the hospitality, if you intend to do the research for the hospitality, so you need to write it down something about the hospitality, and so that the research this concepts.ai can work on it. And now, for example, I just give you the example. So now, I wanted to know like impact of green marketing studies on consumer behavior. So this is just a reference. So once you will be writing it down, your area of research, so it will list down the lot of option as well for you to pick one of them according which is similar to what exactly you are looking for. So now you see that I wrote it down, impact of green marketing strategy on consumer behavior. So it gave me a lot of options like these options. So what our option is the very similar to what exactly I'm writing over up there. So I will pick, you can pick any one of them, you can pick them. So let's assume that. So I'm picking like, how does green marketing impact on the company image, or does green marketing affect consumer purchasing decisions? So I pick this one as well. So once you will pick this one, or you can skip, you don't have to pick any one of the option listed below, but you can do simply, you need to search it out. For example, if you don't like the option listed below, you can skip those option and search what exactly you had written in the search bar. So anyway, so you can see that. So now it gave me the results of, like, the different papers about the topic. My topic, what I had written over, is about the green marketing. So now the results are like, green marketing. These are the papers, and these paper was published in 2025 with the 17 citations, and now this paper was 2022 with 184 citations, and this is what. And you can scroll it down, and it will keep showing you the papers. and and then if you want to load the more papers, and you can simply load it, click on it, and it will load more papers. And then you can keep it going. If you need the more papers, you can keep loading the papers. And this is what we are doing is like literature review. So we need to do a literature review. And now what you can do is, you can also get the full text over here. So if you click on it, full text, click on it. So it will take you to another website, and it will take you to the journal website. And now you can, you can get the full text as well, but only for the papers which are open for the public, not the close-ended, open for the public. You can get the research as well. And you can also copy the link of the paper, and you can even cite the paper as well. For example, if you like this paper as well, and you want to cite in your research article, so you can simply click on the cite paper, and now you are getting a lot of option. For example, if you're using the APA style or MLA or Chicago, Harvard, or AMA is numeric, so you can simply copy the text. So you can, yeah, you can cite it, cite the paper if you like it, and you can cite the paper as well. So it gave you a lot of option. So now what we need to do is, because we need to use this filter option as well. For example, if you only want to review the paper for the last five, for the papers that was published in the past 5 years or the past 2 years, so you can select accordingly, because most of the university they suggest the research students to at least review the papers only, review the updated information. So updated information is about their topic, for example, whatever has happened and what the people, other researchers has done in that area. The researchers need to know about the updated information. It's just not like they can cite the paper that was published 10 years ago or maybe 20 years ago. Even lot has been changed since then. So that means that we need to know, researcher needs to know the updated information as well. So you can select the past 2 years. So that means that the paper that was published in the past 2 years, so we are filtering the criteria. We are putting the criteria, the search engine criteria, and also the journal quality. So I assume that, so we can say that I only, yeah, we can select only Q1 or Q2, or maybe only Q1 or maybe Q4. It's up to you. But if you want to read the quality work, quality research paper, so I suggest that maybe you select Q1 and Q2. And also you can put it down, for example, so show me the paper that has approximately more than 100 citations, or maybe more than 50 citations, or maybe 20 citations. Let's assume I put it like 50 citations. So show me the paper that has at least 50 citations as well. And also you can select the open access. For example, if you want to go to download the PDF version of those papers and only show me the paper that has open access, so you can select this one as well. So show me only the paper, not the closed access paper, only the open-ended paper as well. And then you can also select the methodology as well. For example, systematic review and the papers, and also the observational studies, literature review, case report or something, and also the sampling size, and also lot of option. Also the field of study. For example, it's about the business. You only want to review the related to the business, education, engineering, environmental side. You can pick the options as per your requirement. And then yeah, then once you select on it, so it will show you only the papers accordingly, according to the filter that you had set. So there are a lot of options, and also countries as well. For example, yeah, you can select the country. For example, I want to review only the papers for the USA, and the papers and Austria, Azerbaijan, and these Belgium. So you can select the countries accordingly. So it will it will activate the filter accordingly. So now we have activated the 12 filters. So here you can see that only so it's just like, it's like running through trying to activate all of those for those 12 filters. So maybe in order to have it done very quickly, so maybe we need to skip this one, because not so many papers. So we need to leave reset this option, so that it can do it very quickly, because we have restricted the search filter So now we keeping it open. So I'm not sure exactly why it's not showing like that. So maybe it's still finding the papers, but I'm just trying to ease their research. So maybe Q1, Q2, or maybe 10. I can put the time citation. So maybe the search engine is not able to find a lot of papers to show. So maybe I have, because I have put so many restrictions. So that's why maybe the sample size. So let me see what I have done over here is. Yes, yes. It's still running through. It's still running through. Only the one filter is left, but it's still running through. Q1 and the past two, or maybe the past 5 years. Yes, three filters are activated. Yes.